Today, connecting different data sources to access and transform data has become a key priority for businesses across industries. For you to be watching this means that you are using APIs to streamline the integration of your traditional systems and data. But what happens when you're also dealing with big data? As a business, you need to be able to derive useful insights from all of your data, which brings more questions. How do you integrate this data? How do you extract analytical insights? How do you expose data to consuming applications? How do you apply governance and secure your data? Ultimately, how do you monetize your data? In this animation, we will show you an example of how you can leverage MuleSoft's Anypoint platform to answer these questions. Say, for example, you own a popular record label, Mule Records. Your world is comprised of many different data. To store structured data like master data for the artists, licensing information or historical data, you probably use systems like SAP, Oracle, Salesforce, and MySQL. And you use the out-of-the-box connectors of Anypoint platform to integrate them and transform your data. What about unstructured and semi-structured data? Here we enter our big data environment. For our record company, such data would be the list of songs and albums of an artist, together with the metadata of each song, information too complex to combine in traditional databases, but which we can easily process through Anypoint platform by creating JSON objects, which we can then store in MongoDB or similar document-orientated database programs. Another common source of unstructured data are social media feeds, with information like consumer reviews and comments. In our example, we use Cassandra to store these feeds. Finally, we can use a cloud storage solution like Azure as our main storage for the bulk of our files, audio, video, image, etc. And to bring this data into a single system so we can process it, we can use an analytics platform, in this case, Spark. The question is, how do we combine our big data with the rest of our more traditional data to generate value? With more than 170 out-of-the-box connectors and the tools to build our own, Anypoint platform allows us to seamlessly connect all data. Now we can combine all of our data and start realizing its value. We can do this with Anypoint platform by creating an API across the different systems and data. This API will allow us to expose this data to different consuming applications, internal and external, with significant benefits. For our data, for the IT department, and for the business. So, when we have both traditional and big data databases, leveraging Anypoint platform, we can start innovating without the complexity that is usually associated with big data.